From loudly cursing at the female officer.
Use a fucking lie, cause I got
Good night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face. Because
To threatening to sue when being pulled over.
I was getting on my car. She had no right to 120 pounds and needs like 3 of you to get me down? 3 of you? Come on, bro. It's kind of sad.
These are times when entitled man tries bullying female officer. Starting with this man who showed extreme contempt toward the female officer.
No, I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck when the fuck I.
On May 9th, 2025, police were called to a bar after a man started causing a disturbance. Here's what happened when officers arrived on scene.
My phone out of there.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor, just step over here for me. Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive.
What?
And he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black. Hold on.
Alright. You already paid your tab? How are you going to call that phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost your phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
2 things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. 2, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Okay?
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his
God,
tab.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I'm just telling you.
I'm not
Now
being.
you're yelling. I don't appreciate
No, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked.
yelling.
Listen,
Stop
listen.
yelling.
Man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you. And I asked, no, you with them. And I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talk to him.
I've been talking to them a little, so I'm done with you.
No. Well, then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid his
All I
tab.
want is my fucking phone.
They don't
You
know.
guys have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're gonna
it,
back up.
Please,
You're gonna back up.
When I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie,
Okay,
because I
have a
got
good night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my.
From the very beginning, he argued aggressively as if the whole world was against him. While the officers tried to calm things down, he only made the situation worse with every passing second.
Ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink, so please go in there and
And now
accept
you're
my-
not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. Would I recommend it? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very
Okay,
much so.
me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tap.
Okay. They don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
pay.
making sense to me when I
It's
use
not making
tap.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But
then
she
you don't
doesn't
have
give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem to you. We're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How did you find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the
You
fuck
can
out my
come in
face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
We're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have
Bye.
they don't have your card because you
Do not
paid with your
go
That's
phone.
the fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Then go get my
Trespass
phone.
on here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come back,
fine.
you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just do it for trespass. I don't really care.
Trespass. That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
He dressed and behaved like a 13-year-old thug and was bullying the female officer. In reality, he was too cowardly to face the male officers. But things didn't stop there.
No, it's no shut up. Give me the documentation.
Hey,
Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck out. I am a clean up. Listen, give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. Give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck where the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation.
His arrogance could only be matched by his ignorance. But the female officer's colleagues had grown fed up with seeing her treated that way, so they decided to take him down.
Give me your card. Give me your I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched an officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched an
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up. Get him up.
You guys are stationary. Call 440.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information. No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
Patrol downtown.
There you go.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging after.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
For card and
Once
information.
she started getting the paperwork for you,
She didn't do nothing.
so now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all I asked
Your
was
name
for card
Darius?
and information.
Is your name Darius?
All I asked was for card and
Is your
information.
name Darius?
I'm just asking.
Your debit card that you were looking for was
Yes.
found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about the no bad card.
You did,
I
sir.
asked him, I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking for was in your pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted
call.
to do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked was for card and information.
I went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna film me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information.
What's funnier is that he was taken down to the ground so hard that he could only say card and information. It's truly admirable how the female officer didn't flinch, and her colleagues supported her wonderfully.
Card and information. I'm not. What the fuck?
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked her for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
Alright,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing
pockets.
games.
I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground, you
anything.
understand?
It's going to be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right
183,
here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you. Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
Alright, have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't did nothing wrong. All I did was ask some questions.
You debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Smooth, boy.
Censored. If you find anything else on you, when you go to jail, it's going to be another charge. And that's
I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems clear. Approximately half gram.
Step up.
I'm trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. So I go in the petty wagon van for asking about my cell phone.
Yes, sir.
Asking about my cell phone.
Slide in. Have a seat. Watch your head.
His aggression ultimately ended in jail with multiple charges, including assaulting a police officer, resisting arrest without violence, criminal trespass, and possession of cocaine. But in terms of aggression, he can't compare to even a fraction of this guy who is on a completely different level.
120 pounds and needs 3 of you to get me down? 3 of you? Come on, bro. That's kind of sad.
By yourself, buddy.
That's because I didn't touch her. Because I'm a respectable person. I wouldn't hurt nobody.
On January 5th, 2025, police officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle because its registration tabs had expired. What seemed like a simple warning quickly turned into criminal charges.
Stay in your vehicle, please. Stay in your vehicle, please. Stay in your vehicle, please. You are being visually and audibly recorded. Okay, you will stop right now. I'm legally stopping you.
I wasn't resisting, bro. She kind of just tackled me. I was stopped already.
Hands behind your back.
You know what? Hey! Mama! Mom! Mom! Put your hands behind your back. I'm not even fucking resisting. I weigh 120 pounds, bro. 120 pounds. I'm out of shape, and I weigh 120 pounds, and there's 3 of you on me.
Thank you, gentlemen.
There's 3 of you on me. Michael! Stop. Calling my family. What the f*** you mean stop?
Yeah.
Michael! Ow, what the f***? Can I have my phone? That's my property, please. Dude. Yo, I'm a 120-pound kid, bro.
Anything on you that's gonna hurt me, poke me, stick me, make me bleed.
Can you tell me why you stopped me in the first place? Since I'm in cuffs. So you tackled me for expired tab.
Oh, I tackled you because you ran away from me. You disobeyed a lawful order.
Did I walk to my house?
You did.
I was already stopped when you pulled me over.
Like I've already
Michael,
said,
can you please come and help me?
An attorney.
Because he had no intention of cooperating, the police had to restrain him. He claimed to be a 120-pound kid, but I think he weighs 80 pounds while his ego weighs 40 pounds.
Nah, this is not cool. I tackled you. Want to see the video I recorded? Bro, this isn't cool. I weigh 120 pounds because I wasn't resisting.
Dude, can I borrow your key?
Say something. Oh! Yes, I
wasn't talking to you.
Do I
be
quiet? Do I
be
fucking
quiet?
hair?
You stand up on your own?
I'm gonna try. My wrist really hurt, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna start medics for your hurt wrist then. Like from the car all the way to the front door. Oh, no, that's not mine.
Do you want to be put in restraints?
I want you to let me go because I didn't.
You're not going anywhere. You're under arrest if you haven't been told.
Don't talk to me.
You start beating around again, you're going to be put in soft leg restraints, and trust me, you won't enjoy that.
Whatever.
So
bro.
just sit still and knock your shit off.
Do not talk to me.
Keep it up.
Do not.
Mom, or I'm the second mom?
Okay.
Mom doesn't.
I'm Officer Rose. My camera has been going the whole time, just so you know. Okay. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, what's going on?
I illegally stopped him for a traffic stop because his tabs are expired. Okay. Jumped down and found him.
How old is he?
I was just going to give him a verbal warning to get his tabs changed, but he didn't.
No, he needs to quit. No, he pissed me off. I just talked to you. No, I just talked to you. No.
I didn't do anything.
No, wait.
Close the fucking door, please.
I don't care. I just talked to him about this yesterday. You don't
I
listen.
didn't do anything, Michael. I was parked in my spot. I was sitting on my car. Stop. Yo, shut the I don't give a who you are. I don't give a you're a cop. What you are.
Watch how he defends his actions.
I didn't do anything. Bro, close the door. Close the door. Close the door, please. I didn't do anything, Michael. I was parked in my spot. I was getting out of my car. She had no right to stop me.
What law school did you go to?
Do I care? I know my rights. I was stopped.
You don't know apparently.
Yo, shut the up. I don't give a who you are. I don't give a if you're a cop.
Yeah.
I really don't give a what you are.
Obviously,
I didn't
you don't
do
care
nothing.
about...
Initially, the female officer intended to give a verbal warning, but because of his attempts to walk away, and even being aggressive toward them, he dug himself into a deeper hole. However, that wasn't even the worst thing he could do.
I went to get a coffee because I woke up and I was tired. I came to park in my spot right in front of where I live, and I got tackled to the ground. I'm 120 pounds and it's up 3 of you to get me down? 3 of you? Come on, bro. That's kind of sad. That's because I didn't touch her. Because I'm a respectable person. I wouldn't hurt nobody.
No, you're a disrespectful person, and you're being an ass right now.
You have me in cuffs because my tags were expired.
No, we got you in cuffs because you weren't listening.
Because I'm going home because I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're under arrest for obstructing. Do you understand?
I didn't do nothing
you
wrong.
have the right to remain silent, right to an attorney.
You have the right to suck my I told you it once, I'll tell you it again.
Yeah. You're a tough guy.
So, like I said before, I just stopped him because he had expired tabs. They're not even that expired, so I'm just going to give him a verbal warning.
No, I've spoken to you before. I know you.
Yeah,
I mean,
so...
I don't know why Alex being so stupid.
Because of his choices, he's going to go to jail today, so...
Yeah, understood. No! Oh my God. I need to lock it down.
I don't know, because when I get out, I lock it because I don't want to drive off on it.
Alex, stop. Alex, stop. Stop.
Come take a seat.
Stop, Alex. Stop. It's not helping. Stop. Calm down. Okay, but calm down. You fighting, and it's just making everything worse. I don't want you to be hurt.
You need to go anywhere, bro. No, that's...
I was just going to give you a warning for your tabs, man. I was going to give you a warning. It's my Friday. I didn't feel like doing any paperwork today, so I was just going to give you a warning and wish you well on your way.
Right now, that you got to quit hurting yourself. That is not helping.
Because you decided you wanted to get out of your car and act a fool. You're going to jail.
You stop being disrespectful, too. She's trying to explain this. No, not whatever.
Hello. This is Alec. He made the decision to fight me when he got out of his car.
I didn't fight you, didn't lay a hand on you. If I fought you, you'd be on the ground instead. I swear to God.
Quit being tough and just...
This guy tried to act powerful with the police, but in reality, he wasn't tough at all. And yelling or struggling only made him worse, posing no threat at all, especially to the female officer.
He says he has owies on his wrist, so...
Which one?
He didn't specify.
Which wrist is hurting you?
Which ones are in cuffs?
Well, we're not going to be able to fix them being in cuffs. Which wrist is hurting you?
Let's just say both of them. How about that, Smarty?
Well, you're doing fine then. Hop in the car. See you later. Have a nice day.
Okay, listen, I'm going to give you one more opportunity to get in there and sit still.
I'm going to get in the car. You
You're going to sit there and listen to me.
told me to get in the car.
No, I did not. I said I'm going to give you one more opportunity. And I was still speaking to you. If you can't sit still in the car, we're putting soft leg restraints on you so you can't move. Am I making myself clear? I'm tired of messing with you. You're trying my patience right now. Quit it.
Nothing nice to say. I'm not going to say anything.
That's a good thing then. So get in the car and sit still. Stop beating on stuff in there. Everything that's happening is happening based on your actions. Get it.
The police updated his mother on the situation. It's great to see a parent not defending the foolish and disrespectful actions of their spoiled child.
I understand. I get it.
I mean, I get it too, but...
So,
and he's acting crazy. I know he's acting crazy right now.
Does he often act like this?
No. So I don't know. He didn't come home last night. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know. That's why I was like, what's going on? And so,
He doesn't have...
Does he have mental health issues?
No.
So he's just acting a fool.
He's a smart kid. He's just acting crazy. I don't know why. I don't know if he's scared. He just lost his job. Michael just got him an interview on Monday. I don't know if he's frustrated. I don't know. He's going through losing his ex-wife's trying to take his son from him for no reason. He's going through a lot right now.
Okay.
And so
Tell him to call me.
he's just going through a lot right now. So please watch
Sounds
him.
good. I appreciate
Well, the
it.
jail will watch him.
Okay.
Do you think he might be?
Watts?
I don't think.
What's his first and last name?
Okay.
Alec, ALECW.
Okay. You know
But
his
he
date of birth by
is
chance?
just going through a lot right now.
I get that, but
I mean, I'm not making
is that,
it,
yeah, no,
his
we have to do our job based on his actions.
I know.
And a simple traffic stop didn't
Yeah.
warrant all this.
Yeah, it did.
Because quite frankly, we'd rather be doing something else right now.
Right.
So
Yeah, he has
So
bothered.
He hasn't registered in his name yet.
Okay, he hasn't. It's been like a week or two. It hasn't.
oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, he has 45 days to transfer title.
Okay, yeah, it hasn't been that long, but
All right. Well, anyways, they're probably not going to hold him long down there.
Okay.
They'll book him, process him. Hopefully he'll cool down. Hopefully he won't give the jail
start-
any problems.
chill out.
Because if he does that, they'll just put him in a holding cell. And the longer he does that, the longer he'll sit there till they can process him. So,
is he gonna go downtown?
Yeah.
The Spokane County Jail. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I call to check the status?
You can.
I don't know how to.
when they get down there, if he needs to get in his phone to get a phone number,
Okay.
they probably let him do that as long as he's cooperating with them.
Right.
If he's acting like this down there,
Right.
he's probably going to be put into a holding cell and he's going to sit there until he cools down.
Okay, Alex,
Oh.
you need to cooperate and chill out. I need it. Oh.
He was then taken to jail and charged with obstructing a police officer. Next, let's meet this man who bullied a female officer, but quickly had to regret it.
I'll go and tell him.
Girl, I don't give a fuck. I work in Boca. Does that mean I'm a police officer? Get it together.
You are driving a vehicle that hasn't expired.
On April 16th, 2025, an officer spotted a vehicle with an expired temporary tag and instructed the driver to pull over. What the police didn't know was just how arrogant he would be.
Get in the car. Yo, get in the car. Get in the car. I just stopped you. Get in the car. This is a traffic stop. I stopped you for your tag. It's an expired tag. Yes, it is. 2/12/25? No, get in your car. 35, start me at 94. You need to get back in the car, sir. You're making matters worse.
Bravo 37.
You need to get back in the car.
What?
You need to stand right there.
What?
You're detained right now.
What?
You're making matters worse.
No, you sound crazy.
Look, I'm just gonna give you a warning, but you're making it worse.
Warning for what?
This is an expired tag.
For what? You saw me pull out the gas station.
You
What
have an
talking
expired tag.
about? Bro, my shit's in my car. You sound
That's
stupid.
expired.
That didn't expire. Bro.
It says 2/12/25. If you want to give me that, if you want to give that to me, then I'll run it and we'll see what it goes back to. But you need to stand right there.
Stand where? Bro, you're on my complex.
What's your name? What's your
My
name?
neighbor right there.
Listen, what's your name?
Run it. It's gonna tell you my name.
Listen, what's your name?
Bro, run my shit.
Look, I'm Officer Shankai. You need to stand right there,
I ain't gotta
okay?
stand. Hurry up. I gotta
This
go,
is a
bro.
traffic stop.
Hurry up.
You got stopped for a reason,
Can you hurry
and you're
up?
out of your vehicle.
Hurry up. You're wasting time right now.
I'm not wasting time. I have a lawful reason to be here because you are stopped. This is a traffic stop.
You got the plates. Run the
No, I'm gonna wait for my backup to get here because you're acting a fool. Because you're acting a fool, so I need to wait for my backup.
Hurry up. I gotta go inside.
Nope.
Bro, hurry up.
You are detained. This is a lawful traffic stop. I told you right now that tag is expired. That tag is expired.
Clearly, the female officer was just asking questions calmly, but he responded with an extremely arrogant attitude. However, the tension escalated as he kept arguing about the license plate and vehicle ownership.
Issue.
Bro,
What is your issue? You don't like police officers? What is your
I don't
issue?
give a damn about no police officers.
You need to relax.
Bro.
You need to relax. You're making things worse.
Ooh, relax.
You are making things
Bro,
worse.
You pulling me over because what? You bored?
No. This is my job. This is my job.
Right now. Hurry
Bravo
up.
35.
You still talking? Go run the place and hurry up.
You need to relax.
Bro, hurry up.
This is a traffic stop. I'm not making things worse. You're making you're the one making things worse. You're out of your vehicle.
I don't care.
I can't get back in my vehicle until my backup gets here.
You don't live here. I live here.
I work here. I work for the city of Boca Raton.
Girl, I don't give a fuck. I work in Boca. Does that mean I'm a police officer? Get it together.
You are driving a vehicle that hasn't expired.
That is, no, you have my shit in your hand.
So why isn't this one on there?
It don't matter. It's my vehicle.
Why isn't this?
Bro, you sound stupid as hell. This is my vehicle.
You need to wait. You need to wait right there. Let me run this. Don't tell me to hurry up.
Hello.
What up?
What's going on?
Tell your homie to hurry up. She's taking forever in it.
No, she's got to do some things in the car.
He ain't got shit to do. She just be bored. Tell her to hurry up.
You live here?
Yup.
Yep. All right.
5 years.
Coming from work?
Work. You heard that? You ain't what?
Just relax.
What
relax.
happened?
Relax. You have something going on. That's what
No, she ran my shit. Hurry up.
You need to relax.
I ain't gotta do nothing but be black and hurry up. Okay, I'm home. No, I'm home.
I stopped you because you have an expired decal.
What's in your hand?
Okay?
What's in your hand?
This one should be on there.
It ain't gotta be on it.
Yes, it
Get
does.
it together.
Yes,
Why?
It does. It
You still was
does.
gonna pull me
Yes,
over.
Listen,
Hurry
it
up.
does. It has to
Hurry
be
up.
on there.
Hurry up. I'm not putting it on it. I'm not putting it on it.
He was like a big child going through the terrible twos phase. The large aggressive man could not deal with a woman holding a position of authority.
It's been past that month and I can show you the paperwork. I'm not putting it on it. You can't tell me what to do.
Okay.
Dead ass.
Just give
I
us
got insurance
a
on it
citation.
and it's registered and it got the place. Hurry up.
So you're willing to get a citation for this?
Citation for what?
Your tag is
Bro,
expired. It
my
expired.
shit's in your hand.
Okay,
I
we
don't
can't
care
see
if you
that.
can see it
Just
or not.
write it. Just write it. If he doesn't want to put it,
don't
just
gotta
write
go
it.
nowhere. It don't gotta go nowhere.
Give me your license.
For what?
Where's your license?
Bro, I'm not giving you my shit's registered.
Listen.
Y'all stop playing with me. My shit's registered. Let's go.
37, start another unit.
My shit's registered.
Okay, but you need to show ID if you're on a.
For what? You on my property? I ain't got
This
stuff
is
for
not
no
your
reason.
property. This is not your
Bro,
property. We're trying to be
I
cool with
live
you.
here.
We're trying to explain to you what's going
here.
on. That doesn't matter.
5 years.
That
I got
doesn't
a
matter.
contract that says I live here.
That doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
You're
This
getting
is mine.
stopped because you're
No,
operating
my
a
shit's
vehicle.
legit, bro. No,
But you need
my
to put it
shit's-
on the
I
vehicle.
ain't
We're trying to
gotta put
explain
it
to you.
on. I
So
don't
you're
have
saying,
to.
look at the date here. Look at the date here. What date
And
did
look
this
at the
say?
license plate. What it say?
But can we see that from
bring
outside?
4 or 5 of them.
You need to identify
You bring
yourself,
4 or
sir.
5 of them. I'm not putting it on.
You're really gonna give us a hard
For
time?
what? I ain't do no crime. What are you talking about? Right, listen. You about to make up all these famous, and they about to come out here. Y'all my man, come get your people, bro.
Right,
You already been here before. Hey.
Stop.
Hey. Don't touch
If
me.
they're telling you to do something, you do it.
Do what? I'm a grown ass man, bro. I'm 36 years old. What the fuck are you talking about? Are you crazy?
Are the officers telling you to do something?
Do what? Bro, I'm a grown man, bro. I'm not no child in this bitch, bro. Are you crazy?
Do you have your ID on you?
I have my ID, but what am I getting stopped for? What? I
You're
ain't
getting
gotta give you
stopped
nothing.
for
That
an
loss, I ain't gotta give you nothing.
expired
Unless I'm
tag.
committing a crime.
It's an expired tag.
And I
It's
got
a
it on
lo-
right here.
Okay, but right now on attached
And
to
it's
the
on
vehicle,
that.
this is attached to the vehicle.
Okay.
right? You
And
will be
that's
stopped
attached
for
to
that.
the
This is a legal traffic stop.
Bro.
Whether or not you provide that,
Yo, you dead
you
ass
need to
wasting
pro-
your time,
you
bro,
need to
because,
provide
listen.
your information
For what?
for a legal traffic stop.
Bro, it don't matter. You ran the plate, my name came up. It says
You're
I
making
live
this a big
here.
deal.
So what's the problem?
I can tell you this.
Yeah.
If you provide your information, these officers
For
are
what?
very reasonable.
What you need to look me up for?
Because we have to verify your identity.
Bro, I'm
This is
Ryan
a-
Forbes and I live here
Listen,
in an
my man.
apartment.
Legal traffic stop. You are required by the state of Florida to provide
I ain't
your
from Florida.
ID. Okay,
Sorry.
well, I'm now informing you of the Florida state statute.
Come on, hurry up,
Please,
bro. Can
please
y'all
provide
just,
your identification to these officers.
why does it matter if
It's
I
not
have a
that
license?
hard.
He only thought he could bully the female officer for 2 reasons. 1, she is a woman, and 2, she was alone. That's why he acted aggressively, but when backup arrived, he behaved like a coward.
Making this difficult since I
Bro,
stopped
okay,
you. It's
you
not
bothering me
that
right
hard.
now, bro.
I
You
just
saw me
am
driving
asking
from
for
the
your driver's
supermarket. You
license.
saw me driving from the supermarket and you bother me. You bothering me right now. That's what the problem is. You bothering me.
Can you please
I
provide?
could have came home, went upstairs, took me a shower, washed my ass,
We're not
and
gonna
went to
ask
straight
you
to
all
bed.
night. Just give your ID. You're on a lawful traffic stop. You're
your temp tag is expired. That's
Bro,
how we're stopping.
and my shit is registered.
Are you refusing to provide your identification?
For what, bro? I don't have to give you my ID. You ran the place.
You
ran the
Can
place.
you one more time? Are you failing to provide your information?
What you want the information for? It's on the plate. What does it matter? I live here.
Okay, I understand that. I'm giving you one more opportunity, and then you're going to jail.
For what? For not giving you my ID?
Yes.
How they sound crazy?
Yes, it is
You sound
resisting.
crazy. Resisting what? I'm not resisting nothing. I'm standing here.
You are
I got my work
obstructing
bag
our
and I got my shit
investigation.
here. Bro, that's on you.
This
You
is
can
your
go-
lot.
you can go
No
circle
more
the block.
opportunities. Are you failing to...
He was in a hurry, but prolonged the entire trouble with his ignorance, while the officers no longer had the patience for this nonsense, so they decided to put an end to it.
All right, then you are going to jail. Put your hands behind your back. You are going to jail.
What?
Drop this.
Bro, you serious, bro?
We gave you
Do not pull away.
opportunities. You literally got out of the car. You made this difficult.
Put you together.
Yeah. You didn't have to make this difficult.
Shit, you gonna drop my shit on the
I was
floor?
literally just gonna give you a warning.
Bro, I just wanted to go home. Listen.
All it would have taken was just giving you your ID. All right? And all that's all it would have taken. Right? Now we have to go this route.
Alright, let's go. That's what we're gonna do in 1
It's in
second.
my pocket. It's in my right pocket.
We were past that point. I gave you plenty of opportunities. Right? I gave you plenty of opportunities. We're over that point now. It would have been just as simple as that. All right? We're going to walk over to that car there.
Let's go. Thank you. What's up? I can put it in your car. Yes, I can. Hey man, that bag that you had on you has all your like social security card, ID and stuff. Do you want that to come with you? Or you want me to put that in your vehicle? And then just take the key and bring you, like take the key with you to wherever you're gonna go, or you're gonna just take everything with you. It's up to you. Food can't go, because we can't take food. They won't accept it. But your personal identifying documents, you can take that with you if you want.
I have my ID on.
You have your ID on you, or is it in the bag?
No, it's on my phone.
It's on your phone? Okay. Anything in the bag? Like, what do you want me to do with the bag? You want to take it with you, or you want me to put it in your car and lock your car? And then just give you your key.
Let's put it in there.
In the car?
Yeah.
Any specific part? Just in the front?
Front seat.
Front seat. All right.
If he had cooperated from the start, he could have gone home and rested. But now he has to go to jail for resisting an officer without violence and operating a vehicle without a valid license plate. But what happens when a female officer has to deal with a wanted criminal? Watch this case immediately.
You ruined that one.
Please,
Get
please,
your feet in.
Please, officers, please help me.
Your feet in the vehicle.
On February 28, 2025, police conducted a traffic stop on a man who had an active warrant, and the situation quickly escalated unexpectedly.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm Officer Klaus with the O'Fallon Police Department. I'm just having you got to use your turn signal at least 200 feet before you do.
Okay.
You got it?
When I turned on this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad.
You got your ID on you? Where are you headed?
I'm just going right here to Joy Drive.
You're good. You have insurance on it?
Yes.
Don't reach under the seat, okay?
I'm looking at my I can look at my insurance. I'll give you my driver's license number.
Or if you just give me, you're the registered owner.
Yes, ma'am.
If you just give me the date of birth, you'll be good. Insurance for me, okay? Just stay in the vehicle. Do you have your insurance? That looks good. Go. I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle for me, okay? What? I'll explain it to you once you get out of the vehicle.
Why do I need to step out of the vehicle?
Because I'm gonna explain something to you, okay? And just listen to me.
Is there an issue?
I'll explain it to you, okay? Step out of the vehicle.
Why do I need to step out of the vehicle? I just wonder what's the issue.
I'm going to explain it to you once you're out of the
Why do I
vehicle.
need to step out of the vehicle?
I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
issue, officer? Do I have a warrant for what's going on?
Do not roll the window up and step out of the vehicle.
I'm sorry.
I'm not going to ask again.
Accident.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm trying to get out the vehicle.
Yep, unlock it and step out of the vehicle.
I'm sorry.
Walk to the back of the vehicle. I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
This guy showed a skeptical attitude, continuously asking for reasons, but at least he cooperated with the female officer. However, he could not maintain a calm attitude for very long.
Turn around, put your hands on.
What's going on?
You have a warrant.
I have a warrant?
Yep. Possession. Do you have anything on you illegal at all? Okay.
What do I have a warrant for?
Possession.
Possession? I just came from court.
They just issued this warrant, okay? Walk back to the vehicle. I'm going to search you, okay?
Court, sir.
Oh.
I just came from court.
Well, okay, so when someone has a warrant, the courts, they'll confirm the record.
When was the warrant issued?
Oh, look.
I just came from court, man.
I'll confirm.
I'm going right here down the street.
Okay. Hold that in.
I just came from court. Hey, can I at least park my car down the street so I don't get my vehicle towed? Officer, please.
We'll talk about it, okay?
Well, my girlfriend right there. Can I just call her to come get my vehicle?
Well, the issue is I saw mushrooms in plain view when I walked up to you the first time, okay? So depending on what's in the vehicle, we'll go from there, okay?
I don't have the right to search my vehicle.
I do, when there's contraband in plain view. Here, quit moving around. Do you understand? You want me to pull your pants up? Do you want to try to pull your pants up?
I won't be able to.
Because I need to go under your legs still. Spread your legs. Okay, I'm going to sit you in the back of my vehicle, okay?
Ain't no way I got no warrant, man.
Yeah, you do.
Ain't no way I got no warrant, man.
I'm not making it up.
Although that he was handcuffed, he kept acting aggressively and arguing with the police. He is clearly trying to make the situation even more difficult than it needs to be, but it was what he did next that really struck a nerve with the officers.
Just came from court, man. This bullshit. I just had court on the 25th.
And I told you they.
Today it's the 28th. Can you tell me when my warrant was issued, please?
I will.
Right now, please, man.
Not right now.
Man. No, man, because this.
No, get back in the vehicle.
This is illegal. I want to talk to the sergeant. Please bring the sergeant out here. I'm asking for the sergeant, sir. I'm asking for the sergeant.
Get back in the vehicle.
You
want another charge?
I'm asking for the sergeant. No, I do not. I want to be treated correctly. Help me, please. Help me, please. Oh, felonies arresting me. Please help. Help me. Help me, please.
Listen, you're not helping yourself.
Get back in the vehicle.
Sit down.
You're going to add another charge. You want resisting?
I'm not I'm just
You are resisting.
Tell me what I'm charged with.
You have a warrant.
Warrant.
When
was
sit
it
down,
issued,
we'll get you that date. We'll let you know as soon as you sit
Come
down.
on.
Man, just
Sit
talk
down.
to me, man.
Sit down.
Get back in the vehicle.
I'm right here, man. I don't want to.
As soon as you sit down, we're going to tell you the date. Sit down. Sit down.
Allow me to move my vehicle so my
Sit
vehicle.
down. Sit down.
Please.
Get your feet in the
Sorry
vehicle.
about this. Sit down and get your feet. God help me, man.
Get your feet
I'm
in
going
the
right here
vehicle.
around the corner. Just please.
No.
Can I take my vehicle around
No.
so it doesn't get towed?
Not at this
Please.
point. You ruined that
Please,
one. Get your feet in.
Please, officers, please help me.
Get your feet in the vehicle.
Y'all really doing this to me, man. I can't believe it.
He is a man who despises women. He does not like a female officer telling him what to do. Moreover, a middle-aged man wearing pants sagging down to his knees looks really ridiculous.
Get your feet in!
Don't do that shit.
Yeah. What? He was fine, and then wasn't. Do you have a better flashlight? No, it's towed. They're gonna pull you out and search you again, okay?
This is the supervisor you want to talk to, right? Go ahead and step out real quick. Check the camera real quick. Nothing on you, nothing inside of you?
No, sir.
Okay, reason I asked that, you get the counter, you're gonna scan me, okay?
How you doing?
All right.
What's your name?
Were you asking for a supervisor?
Yes, I did.
He was
sir.
screaming for it.
I
He was
forgot y'all.
letting the whole neighborhood know you were.
Yes, I asked for a supervisor.
What's up?
I was pulled out my vehicle without being notified why.
Okay.
I asked why. They wouldn't tell me.
Okay, we don't have to do that, but keep going.
From my understanding, I'm supposed to be notified.
Okay.
The last time I got pulled over, the guy told me, said, "Hey, Mr. Pierce, you got a warrant."
We can tell you, but we're not required to. Okay.
Nah, you saying you can, but that's
We can, but we're not required to. I get
That's a decent thing.
Okay.
I asked her, she said, "No, I can't tell you."
Okay.
I didn't say wouldn't. I said I'll explain when you get out.
I said I want to know now, but I was just trying to comply, so I got out.
Okay.
I said, "Hey, I'm parked down the street. I'm going right down.
I put in all the money in the front pocket of the backpack.
Park my car. Whatever happened, she said I had it. I said, okay, that's fine. I don't know why I had it. I just went to court on the 25th.
Okay.
I just literally went to court.
Refusing to follow orders and resisting being put into the police car, yet begging for special treatment so his vehicle wouldn't be towed. Yeah, as if that would work. But sadly, that only happens in his dreams.
No, that's what I'm saying.
I think it was issued the 28th.
Today is the 28th.
It might have been issued today. 134.
Okay. Huh? It's not.
Copy.
Bro, you pulled me over for bogus shit.
Kevin.
I ain't used my traffic signal when I did, bro.
Kevin.
That's bullshit.
Kevin. Hey.
That's bullshit, man. That's
fine.
okay.
And I'm going to be honest with you. I just told you that. I knew you had a warrant.
I know, that's bullshit. That's bullshit.
Well, guess what?
That's bullshit.
I don't know you. I don't know how you're going to respond.
Hey, that's okay. I'm not.
Okay.
Hey,
I got to do my job.
I'm a good person. I'm gonna respond like good people do. All right. So.
And I don't, but I never met you. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how you're going to react.
Hey, I understand
when I walk up to
right.
your vehicle, I'm by myself, and I say, yeah, you got a warrant.
But
you don't know that. I don't know you.
I mean, but.
Okay. Your warrant was issued yesterday.
What was I gonna run?
Well,
I mean, I understand. What I'm saying is.
Let's hop back in the car, okay?
Let's just go get this over.
Yeah. Thank you, Jim.
In the end, the man was arrested for having an active warrant and was also charged with resisting arrest with potential possession of a controlled substance. Comment below, which arrest did you find the most satisfying? Share your thoughts, and if you want to see more cases of entitled men getting what they deserve, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.